In this video, we're going to look at creating paragraphs. To create a paragraph, you enclose the text inside tags containing P. The default behaviour for multiple paragraphs is that the paragraph will be placed on a new line with some space added between. There's no limit to how long or short the text inside the P tags need to be. Let's add 3 paragraph tags, one under each of the H3 headings we created in the last video. In the first one, we'll say A, famous, swimmer, is, Ian, Thorpe. In the second, we'll say A, famous, runner, is, Usain, Bolt. And in the third one, we'll say A, famous, gymnast, is, Simone Biles. Let's save this and run the page again. We can simply reload the screen in the browser. Now we can see the 3 paragraphs have been added to the screen. So before we move on, let's recap what we have just learnt. We can create headings using headers, which can be anything from H1 to H6. We can also place text inside paragraph tags, which use the letter P inside the tag.